All right, let's take a look at another product in here if you guys can see it. This is a longer one, and I put my camera there. It goes all the way down, and this extends really tall. Easy to actually open these and manipulate them and twist them around. We're gonna see how tall it is, and we're gonna measure it, how tall you can get here. So let's go ahead and do that. This one extends all the way to 45 inches. Really long, if you guys can see it from the ground up. A couple points here, one point here that you can bend, and that's about it. So there's only one angle here, and there's still some more. I could actually stand it up some more, but look at this. And I have my camera mounted on there. If you can see that. So we're gonna actually move this and kind of put it overhead here so we could put a bird's eye view of a camera. Was gonna use a little smaller one, but we're gonna choose to use this larger one. So let's go ahead and put it together. So if you guys can see it, I'm gonna have a perfect eyes view, tied it up there, here, and here, overhead view of whatever projects we're gonna be reviewing. If you guys can see, really good. I like how it turns out. We're gonna put the brand and everything else. I actually like this one because it's really strong and sturdy, and it also has a balance bubble, and this is easy to remove. You just unscrew it, and if you guys can see, the balance bubble is on this side. I'm not gonna touch it right now because I have it in a perfect area where I'm gonna be filming, so I could just turn it on from anywhere remotely, this camera, and I can start filming anytime I want. I'm gonna be viewing what I'm recording in here because I am gonna connect it there. It runs through the whole system. Really sturdy. Moving, it moves because it's in the same table, but I might end up moving it to another table and see how we can do this. But so far, I like the results. Strong, sturdy, very expensive camera, but I'm trusting the system to actually hold it. So, all right, if you guys can see, there's a camera on the stand, and this is how we're gonna be shooting stuff. Look at that, looks pretty good. Camera up there, lighting, everything, bird's eye view, perfect. So we don't have to worry about anything. I like that little stand, if you guys can see it. Look at that, extend it really good.